Hello friends, in this problem we have to solve a factorial equation, and the equation is you have n factorial minus n square and this is equals to 7n plus 60. How will you solve this problem? Now to solve this problem you need to know what is factorial, the definition of factorial. So the factorial is, if you have n factorial, this means you have to multiply n into next number n minus 1 times n minus 2 times n minus 3, and this will go on till 2, 1. Now you can also write this as recursively. If you see this thing from n minus 1 to 1, what is this? This is nothing but n minus 1 factorial. From the definition of factorial, I can say this is n, but this term is n minus 1 factorial. So n factorial can be recursively written as n into n minus 1 factorial. So let us use this definition and we can solve this problem. So if I rewrite this expression, I will have n factorial is equals to n square plus 7n plus 60. And n factorial, as I said, it can be written as recursively as n into n minus 1 factorial. Now I can divide by n throughout. So let us divide by n this side, and each term is divided by n. So what we will have? We will have n minus 1 factorial, and this side we will have n plus 7 plus 60 by n. Now another important point, to define a factorial, the term inside the factorial must be a whole number. And in this case you have n minus 1, so this should be positive. So what are the conditions you have? You should have n minus 1, it should be greater than equal to 0. This implies n should be greater than equal to 1. So this is one condition. And also n should be whole number. So n should be whole number. Then only factorial is defined. You cannot have a negative number. Now let us see this expression. That is the whole expression, particularly the right side. You have an integer or basically whole number, and this is another whole number. This means this also has to be whole number because I have a factorial this side. So 60 by n will be whole number only if, what are the possible values for n? You can have n is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, not 7, not 8, not 9, 10, 11, 12, 15, yeah 12 you can have, 15, then 20 and then 30. So these are the possible value. Now see, if you try to see that left hand side and right hand side, I can find the solution. For example, you cannot have very big numbers like 30, 20, 50. Let us check. If you take 30, then left hand side will be 30 minus 1, that is 29 factorial. But the right hand side will be 30 plus 7 plus 60 divided by 30, that is 2. So this is very a small number, but 29 factorial is 29 times 28 times 27. So this is not going to be equal at any cost. So 30 is not a solution. Similarly, 20 will not be a solution. 15 is also not possible. 10 is also not possible. Let us try check. Now let us try 6. So 6 factorial is equals to 6 plus 7 plus 60 by 6, that is basically 10. So we will have 10. So this is how much? 10 plus 6, 16, and this is 23. And this is 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. There is no point of writing into 1. Or let me write. So this is again not equal to 23. So this is also not a solution. Similarly, the smaller number cannot be a solution. 1, 2, 3, 4 cannot be a solution. For example, let us check. I will check for 1. Let us check for 4. So 4 minus 1, basically in the previous case it should be 5 factorial because n minus 1. So when I'm taking n equals to 6, so this will be 5 factorial. But anyway, this will not be equal to 23. 5 into 4, 20, 20 into 3, 60, into 2, 120. Now let us take 3. So 3 minus 2, 3 is not possible. Let us take 4. 4 minus 1, 3 factorial. And this is equals to 4 plus 7 plus 60 by 4, that is 15. This is also not a solution. So these are not a solution. Let us try 5. So 5 minus 1, that is 4 factorial. And this side you have 5 plus 7 plus 16 divided by 5. 60 divided by 5 is 12. So this is your 24. Now what about left hand side? So 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. And this is also equals to 24. This means this number, that is n is equals to 5, only satisfy this equation. So n is equals to 5 is a solution of this factorial equation. So I can say n is equals to 5 is the solution. You can verify whether n equals to 5 satisfy the original equation or not. So let us check. So we can have a verification. So original equation was factorial n minus n squared. This is equals to 7n plus 60. Let us plug n equals to 5. This is 5 factorial minus 5 square. And this is 7 into 5 plus 60. So this side you have 5 into 3 into 2 into 1 minus 5 square. And this is equals to 35 plus 60. So what are the value? So this is 5 into 3, 15 into 2, 30. I missed 4 here. So 5 into 4. So 20, 30, 60 and 2, 120. So this is 120 minus 25. And this side you have 95. So this is 95 and right hand side is also 95. So basically this verify that n equals to 5 is indeed a solution. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoyed, please share with your friends, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video.